Number 695. Max area of island. This is medium question. Let's get into it. Given a non-empty tree array grade of zeros and ones, an island is group of ones representing land connected for directionally, horizontal or vertical. You may assume all four edges of grid are surrounded by water. Find the maximum area of an island in the given 2D array. If there is no island, the maximum area is 0. Example 1. Let's check with example 1. Given above grid, return 6. Note answer is not 11 because the island must be connected for directionally. That means it did not connect diagonally. Okay, I will gonna scan all of cell in matrix first. So while we find the land, I will check for direction up, down, left, right. If there is island, I will do mark and then checking. In this case, I will check for direction and I found one island and then I will mark visited and then checking, and then this time I will checking for direction, and even this one is land but it already visited, so I will move to here, and then when we'll move the one by one I increase counter, so this land area size is 3. Oh, there are one more, so 4. So I will use this approach. To implement it, I will use recursion, DFS, but there are one edge case to solve the question. I will show you while I'm implementing. Okay, let's get into it. Alright, first I will make two variables. First is max size, store max value, and then current size is checking current island size. And I will make recursion, names helper, this row and column. Recursion has two modules, base case and recursion relationship. First base case is if not 0 is now and length grid and column is 0, column length grid 0, and grid is land. I will return because this one is valid and not valid. That means not valid, I will return. It makes sense. Okay, good. Okay, simple. Okay, good. And then if it is valid, I will increase current size 1. If we use global variable, I will define non-local max size and current size, and then I will do here calculate the max size. Current size after getting, I will marking visited. I will use the make it negative. That means this one is the 1 change -1, and then -1 is the another land. So this code legacy to water, not land. Mark visited. And I will move for direction. plus 1, color plus 1, minus 1, color minus 1, and then reset. And then I will iteration. Allowing range, length, grid, and for coloring, range, length, grid first. If current cell is length, I will reset current size and then call helper. Return max size. I think it passed. It will pass this test case if there are no typo. There are no multiple data. Okay, this means how we can get max value is, let's see about this. When you start here, 2, 3, 4, and then finally if we go to here, and then this is good time to check max size, because current size is 4, and if the max size is 0, 4. How about here? And then 0, 1, and when you're there, this time max size 1. But this is no issue, because max size always remember only max number, like this. Max size is max size with current size. This makes sense. Return value is 7. Why it is 7? Okay. It is good test case for this. Now it's this one, and then it start is here. And then here, and then this is valid, and then length, so you going to here, increase size current is 1, and then mark widget, like this one. And then best case, move here, minus, and move here, mouse, and then move here. This time is the get the value is 4, and then it will, after that it will go backtracking, and then now going here, and then it add 1, 2, 3. So finally 7. I will show you one more time. First, I will check here, and then current size 1, 2, 3, 4, and then backtracking, going 5, 6, 7. So that is the reason why this one result is 7, not 4. How we can prevent it? Yes, that's right. When you do backtracking, we did not reset like this. What it means, first I will start to equation here, tracking here. After backtracking, I did not reset, and then this one going back to here, going back to here, going back to here. And then even it tried to go into here, cannot, because it already minus 1. So length is 4. Let's submit. Okay, good. Okay, in this time complexity is matrix is m by n matrix. At that time complexity is big O m multiply n, linear time with is there any extra data structure? Yes, the recursion use system stack, and then so space complexity also linear. Thank you.